This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak seasoning. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. A fantastic steak rub starts with a solid base of coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. For a classic savory profile, you'll want to include aromatic spices like garlic powder, onion powder, and a touch of paprika. These foundational elements work together to enhance the natural richness of your beef, creating a truly delicious crust when cooked. Aim for a ratio of about 2 parts salt to 1 part pepper for a balanced flavor. Now, let's talk about customizing your rub to suit your palate. If you enjoy a smoky flavor, consider adding a half teaspoon of smoked paprika or a pinch of chipotle powder. For a bit of heat, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper can provide a nice kick. Herbaceous notes can be introduced with dried thyme or oregano. Feel free to experiment with these additions, starting with small amounts, perhaps 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, and adjusting until you achieve your ideal flavor blend. Once you have selected your desired spices, it is time to mix them. Simply combine all the dry ingredients in a small bowl and stir them well until everything is evenly distributed. For optimal freshness, transfer your finished steak rub into an airtight container, such as a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Stored in a cool, dark pantry, your homemade seasoning will maintain its potency and flavor for up to 3 months, ready for your next delicious meal. Finally, let's discuss how to apply your fantastic homemade rub. For a typical 1-pound steak, aim for about 1 tablespoon of seasoning, ensuring you coat all surfaces evenly. Gently press the rub into the meat to help it adhere. For the most flavorful results, allow your seasoned steak to rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before cooking. This resting period helps the flavors penetrate and ensures a more tender, juicy outcome, whether grilling, pan-searing, or broiling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.